ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಹರೇ ಗುರುವಾಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಶರಣಂ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಾಗವತಂ ದಶಮಂ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 25 verses 8 to 33 describe Govardhana Udharanam by Bhagavan, which is condensed here in Narayaniam as Dashaka 63 Govardhana Udharanam. Indra, Lord of heaven, became furious and ordered the clouds to do their best, or rather their best, to teach the Gopas a lesson. Thus instructed, the clouds from all quarters gathered and mounted a heavy assault on Vrindavanam. The thunder rolled and burst with a heavy downpour of rain. Continuous lightning lighted up the skies. Houses and haystacks were flying in the sky. Hailstones pelted without mercy. Oh, protect us, Krishna, we seek refuge in you, the Gopalas shouted. So the Lord said, do not be afraid. I know that all this is caused by the proud Indra, who is unfit to be a guardian of the world. Enter this cave, all of you, with the flock. So saying, Krishna lifted the mountain Govardhan with trees and high above his head as a boy lifts a mushroom. The Gopas with all their families and people trooped in safe. The heavy downpour continued for 7 days, and now the wind abated. The clouds had become fleecy and white. Indra had failed and fell down full length on the ground, begging for mercy, which was, of course, granted. When all had gone out, Krishna gently replaced the mountain in its former place. We will see the Narayaniya slokas on this. Dadrishire kila talkshanamachada stanida jrimbida kambida diktadaha Sushamaya bhavadanga-tulangadaha prajapato parivaritharastvaya. At that moment, above the land of Praja were seen by thee massive rain clouds continuously roaring and spreading. They caused all the quarters to tremble, and they resembled thy form in their brilliance. Vipulakaragamisraiः toyadharanibadaiः dishi dishi pashubanam mandale dandyamane kubida harikridannah pahi pahi didesham vajanamajida srunvan ma bhibidetyabanihi. There was torrential rain in all directions, accompanied by huge, enormous hailstones. The group of cowherds were tormented by the wrathful action of Indra. They all cried and prayed to be protected. Hare, hearing these laments, you asked them not to fear. Kula iha kalu gotro daivadam gotra shatro Vihadimiha sadruntyal konuva samshayosmin Idi sahasidavadi deva govardhanadrim Torida mudumumulo mulado baladorpyam. Hari Om. Here for our clan, the mountain is the deity. Indra is the enemy of mountains. This mountain, Govardhan, will resist Indra's attack. Indeed, what is your doubt in this? Thou said so with a smile. Hey Bhagavan, assuring them, thou quickly uprooted the Govardhan mountain with thy 2 tender arms. Tadanu girivarasya प्रोधृतस्यास्य तावद् सिगतिलमृदुदेशे दूरतो वारितापे परिकरपरिमिश्रान् धेनुगोपानदस्ताद् उपनिदधदत्था हस्तपद्मेन शैलम्. Then thou held aloft the lifted up mountain with thy lotus-like arm. The soft sandbed of the mountain was well protected from the rainwater. The cows and the cowherds all gathered under the uplifted mountain along with their belongings and were also well protected. भवति विधृतशैले बालिकाभिर्वयस्यैः अभिविहितविलासं कीलिलाबादिलोले सविधमिलितधेनुः एकहस्तेन कण्डो यदि सति पशुपालाः तोषमैषन्द सर्वे. As though were holding the mountain, though enthusiastically engaged the girls and boys of thy age in playful conversation, the cows gathered around thee, and though caressed them with one hand, the cowherds were also very satisfied and delighted. अधिमहान् गिरिरेषु तु वामके करसरोरुहितं दरदे चिरं किमिदमद्भुतमद्रिबलं निधि त्वदवलोकिभिरागति गोपकैः. This mountain is so huge, yet he is holding it in his left hand, which is tender like a lotus stalk, for long. What a marvel! Is it that it is the power of the mountain to have lifted itself up? The Gopas, who were thy onlookers, commented thus. Ahaha दाष्ट्यममुष्यवडोर्गिरिं धृदितबाहुरसावरोभयेद् इति हरिस्त्वयि बन्धविगर्हणो दिवससप्तगमुग्रमवर्षयत्. See the arrogance of this boy. When his hands pain by the weight of the mountain, he will put it back in place. Saying so, Indra, who was full of contempt for thee, poured rain heavily for 7 days. Achaladittvai devapadatpadam गलित सर्वजले जगनोत्करे अपकृते मरुताम्बधिः त्वदभिसङ्गिदधि समुपद्रवद्. Though had not stirred one step from thy place, all the clouds were drained and exhausted of their waters. They were drifted away and scattered by the winds. Noticing all this, the head of the gods Indra was scared of thy might and fled. Yamamupeyushi varshavaре tada pashubadhenukule cha vinirgade bhuvi vivo samubahida bhudara pramudidai pashubai parirebishe. The heavy rain had then subsided, and the cows and cowherds had come out from under the mountain. O Hare, thou then replaced the mountain on the earth and were embraced by the overjoyed cowherds. धरणिमेव पुरा धृतवानसि क्षिदिधरोद्धरणे तव कस्रम इति नुदस्त्रिदशै कमलापदे गुरुपुरालय पालय मां गदाद. O Kamalapade, consort of Lakshmi, the gods praised thee, saying that long ago, that is the incarnation of Bor, thou had lifted up the whole earth itself. Lifting up the mountain was not much of an effort to thee. O Guruvayurappa, save me from ailments. With this sloka, we have completed Dasaga 63 of Narayaniyam, which is Govardhanotharanam, and we will listen to Sati Suresh भजन सॉन्ग।
हरि दर्शन की प्यासी अखियाँ, हरि दर्शन की प्यासी, देखियो चाहत कमल नयन को, देखियो चाहत कमल नयन को, निस दिन रहत उदासी उदासी, हरि दर्शन की प्यासी। केसर तिलक मोतियन माला, वृंदावन के वासी अखियाँ, हरि दर्शन की प्यासी उदासी उदासी।